I put up with the corruption and we are going. As me not find my niece yet. Me not find my niece yet. And in my talk. In my talk. You hear me? Please, take off this. See how I feel right now, I can't talk. I just, I'm dumb having on me right now. I'm telling them, yo, what you say? I don't find my niece. I don't know my niece there. I tell you, I make you know straight. At the media house, make you know I come a court, yes. We're not going to call from no police, nobody. When them charging them, come on my yard. Superintendent Nesbitt come on my yard. Come tell me, say them charge him. And how I feel. And now I come a court. And nobody no contact with. I say to the hospital and I'm here stand. And nobody no contact me. Nobody at the media house make we know say I go to court. And if come a court without no representative of Donnna-Lee. And them grant him bail hearing mad. Remember me tell you, Jamaica. Remember me tell you Jamaica. They say let me call up on you. We're not going to stand up and make JCF and the government deal with the people, sir. They come and need some my yard. Bill.
I must say right now, I'm not feeling good about that because first I would want to say, how can someone charged for murder, even in thought of a judge or even thought of anyone, can they really say about bail? I just want to ask that question really for, because for him to be said he would think of granted bail, I don't know where there's any justice we have getting. Neither from the family nor the entire public who have lost their loved one like I have lost my loved one, my niece. So therefore I'm not feeling well about that.